All right, welcome in everybody. Jason, TCP Supersystem. Uh, About to close it up for the night, but I do want to come back with a quick Bitcoin video here. We did get some responses to a poll that I put out on the YouTube channel. So I'll probably will be doing another video in the next day or two covering those three or four cryptos, which Bitcoin is one of those. But again, I'm the creator of the TCP Supersystem, which identifies opportunity zones in cryptos and stocks. Nothing I say, interpretations, signals, charts, system, none of it's financial advice. Please do not emulate my trades or my logic. Please consult an advisor before engaging in any investment activities. It's extremely risky. But I want to show you something on Bitcoin, and I want you to think back to what we usually tell everybody in our videos if you've watched them and aren't new, but we typically will tell you you'll see this pump up, a retracement back to the top of the cloud, and off we go. And we've already identified these opportunity zones in these green bars based on the leverage liquidation data that's available out there in the public. That's 128 to 130. And if you look, if we zoom in here, you can see this yellow label. That is a confirmation of an uptrend in this system. You can see that red cloud is converting into a green cloud. And that's typically what we see in terms of that pattern before we see liftoff. So now we do have an area of leverage liquidation zone down here around 100. So unless that just spikes down one day, I see that being difficult to get to at this moment, but it could. But like I said, typically what you see is that pump up, a retracement to the top, and then off we go. So, we could be up for about what is that, about a $18,000 gain from here. So we'll see where we go. Um, the standard deviation and mean reversion methodologies, it's not exactly what we want to be seeing here. We really want this white line to stay above the red zone here. This is a key zone, so if that white line comes back down all the way through that, then we're probably going to be going lower. But if it bounces off the top of that zone back to those extremes, and you see that orange line curve back above the green zone, that's pretty good. That's what we want. So that's what we're watching for here. We'd like to see that happen between this 112 and 110 mark. Currently, we're trading at 112.560. So we'll see where Bitcoin goes. A lot of stuff should be happening this week. Hopefully, if Congress can get their act together, get back in office, approve some of these other ETFs, the crypto space should see some pretty fun stuff here in the upcoming month or two. So if you like technical analysis on cryptos and stocks, please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm just trying to educate and inform the community. Please don't emulate my trades. It's not financial advice. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night. Appreciate you tuning in.